Namaste. In this video, we will learn some stretches for our shoulders and upper arms. Our shoulders and upper back are a large group of muscles that help to keep us upright, allow the different movements of our arms, and also help to support the neck and the head. Weak shoulder muscles are the primary cause of any pain in the neck, arms, and upper back. Today, let us do some practices to release any stiffness in the upper back and the shoulder muscles, improve our flexibility, and reduce the pain in these areas. Begin by standing in Tadasana. Inhale deeply and lift both hands at the shoulder level, keeping the palms turned downwards. Rotate your arms so the palms face upward and continue to raise the arms straight above your head while inhaling. Now, while exhaling, bring your hands down at the shoulder level. Once again, rotate your shoulders to face the palm downwards and bring the hands down. Inhale, raise your hands, twist and then raise it all the way up. Exhale, twist the palms downwards and bring them down. Continue raising and lowering the hands while inhaling and exhaling for 5 times. Now, in the second practice, raise your hands at the shoulder level. Make loose fists and start making small rotation of your entire hands from the shoulder joint level. Keep the movements very small. Rotate your arms 5 times in clockwise direction and 5 times in the opposite, that is the anti-clockwise direction. Now continue making big circles by rotating the arms in a wide circle from the shoulder joints. Once again, 5 times in one direction and 5 times in the opposite direction. Rotate your wrists clockwise 5 times and in the opposite direction for another 5 times. Make sure you rotate only your wrists and the rest of your hand stays neutral. Now, release your hands. Now start by raising your hands at shoulder level and bend your hands at the elbow joints. Bring them to the front and join the hands from the elbows to the fists. Exhale and now while inhaling, take your hands back and stretch them back as far as possible. Exhale, bring them and join them in the front. Inhale, stretch them back. Exhale, bring them to the front. Continue this movement for 5 times while synchronizing with your breathing. Now bring the hands down. Join your fists. Inhale, take them up and join. Exhale and inhale. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, bring them down. Continue this practice also for 5 times. Now, take the hands to the front and clap. Bring them back and clap again. Front, back, front, back, front, back. Do this for 5 times. The last exercise. Interlock your fingers at the back. Inhale, bend backwards. Exhale, start to bend forward and raise your arms up as much as possible. Keep your back straight and parallel to the floor and lift your head up and look forward. Inhale, bend back. Take your hands below the level of your buttocks. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, bend back. Arch your back nicely and feel the contraction in the lower back muscles. Exhale, front. Now, in the last round, inhale, bend back and stay to a count of 5. Exhale, bend forward and pause for a few seconds. Inhale, come to standing position, release your hands and relax in Shitila Tadasana. I have shown these exercises while standing, though some of these can be done while sitting on a chair too. Our next video features a few more practices to strengthen the shoulders and arms while sitting on a chair. Please watch the other videos in this series. If you find this video beneficial, please click the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it so far. Your support matters a lot to motivate us to publish more such videos. Thank you.